Morning, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2016 government past question. Question number 15 says, in federalism, system of government, currency, armed forces, and national defense is the primary function of dash. In federalism, system of government, currency, armed forces, and national defense is the primary function of the dash. So it's talking of federal system of government. Which of the in every federal system of government we have three lists. We have exclusive, then we have co current, then we have residual. So so under the exclusive, so which one under these three lists, which one perform currency, armed forces, and national defense of the country? So option A says local government chairman, B say armed forces ruling council, C say security and exchange commission, D say exclusive list. And if you find out if I only have exclusive list there, so it is the function of the federal government so option D is correct. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.